Okay, here's a video for, I think it was Lynn that asked me about direction on carpet and from transition from stairs to landing. So here at the bottom you can see the stripes go that way, and then you can see on the stairs the stripes go that way, and then on the landing the stairs match the landing. And then what's normal is we're going to turn left here, and it's normal for the carpet to run down opposite. You can see the difference in the pattern, and that is called quarter turned. But that way carpet has a direction, and we run the waterfall or the direction down. So this is running down, then as it turns it's running down, and as that turns down the stairs it's running down. So I hope that answers your question.